If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much.
Where will we go? When the quarantine thing done and everybody touch road. Good morning, guys. Don't know your girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Yo, I wanted them. So today is Friday morning, and on Fridays, and I don't know what to say. Mama cook up the good up food, but this morning she cooked sip. Y'all know that I don't eat meat, so I'm excited when sip is cooked. So in this, let me see it. Show now. Authentic Jamaican soup, real ital. So what you have inside is just vegetables, no dumpling, coconut milk, peanut, peanut, and okra, and them something that them good something there. It tastes really, really nice. I love it. Mama get pumpkin. Pumpkin in it.
Everybody touchdown.
Pumpkin and all things great. So I just wake up. It's like about, I not just wake up, but I just come out the door. But in my nighty and things. But I like to come out in the morning and take in some morning air if I don't work out. So I'm doing that now, and then I'm gonna eat my food. I'm gonna show you the food that I get. I know it's gonna be a lit. Oh yes, yes one. Don't know, say me I get fish and oh dear, mama, me go want me conch. Me have to conch on deal with it. Me have conch. I coming. Alright guys, so I don't need the noise, please. The food is ready. Oh, Oli Grill. So we have curry conch, fish, fried breadfruit, so you roast it, then you fry it. Rice and peas with curry gravy. Real authentic Jamaican vegetable, vegetable. Tossed salad with a little tip of mayonnaise. Love it. So we're gonna devour. I'm devouring this now. Having a touch of my sweet phone. So today is Friday. COVID-19 cases way over 1,000. I'm frightened. I expect the country to go lockdown anytime now. Yesterday alone, 98 reported cases. Election, I call it, election is right around the corner. So, by the time election run, you know, sir, oh God, I need to taste my grandmother cooking the rice, like the coconut milk in it, so strong. She don't use packed coconut milk. She use real authentic coconut off a tree, grater, squeeze out. Yeah, that she use. I tell you. It's nice. Vegetable. Morning. Breadfruit.
What's that?
Go. Yo. Mama. Mama. You never have no planting.
No, I don't have any planting.
I'm not only other thing I'm missing out on my plate right now. Piece of planting.
I love planting.
So this is conch. This is what the conch looks like. it tastes like shrimp. Unscrupulous. Fish. Alright, so the COVID-19 cases are increasing and the government is still having election on the 3rd of September, if I'm not correct. So I believe that the election should have been held electronically, where you log on to the computer or your phone, just like how they apply for the COVID-19 money on the computer, using your TRN. You use a TRN and apply with your name, and that's basically what you would need. Your TRN would identify you on the list. So, hello? Your TRN would identify you on the list, right? So, I don't think the election, you should have a physical election, a physical nomination. Maybe later on today. So that way, people can keep their social distance, staying at their yard. Nobody in the pan. Right now, in Jamaica, there should be a public state of national emergency. This is an emergency. What? Oh. Karen. Yeah. No, what you're nice. Nice. Guys, we can't eat coffee like this right now. I don't normally eat so early, so it's kind of rough. Let me eat off this so early. So, the election should be cancelled. State of national emergency now. Everybody stay in. Because this is going to get serious. We any? I'm going to leave this till later. Alright, may I come? Let me give me rest. Belly full. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, definitely show the love. Leave a comment in the comment section. I really want to grow. I really want more engagement. So subscribe because it helps me to grow. And leave a comment in the comment section. And turn that gray button blue. Give it a thumbs up. See you on the next video.